Okay. Uh, we are here right now. We have no food anymore. It's been 5 days since our ship, since Titanic since the Titanic was destroyed. So we are here in this boat waiting for rescue. I'm very hungry right now. Don't give up, Rose. We still have hope. Look over there. Hmm. Magandang paligid. Okay, gandang masan. Malalayang ibon, magliliparan. Ang hangin, maglilit sa akin. We are practicing right now because we will go to China for rowing competition. There's a big event. Our competitors are African. African. We will be competing those bastards, African bastards.